somebody, gotta be body. My style, I've been gone for a minute. I'm still in the pen and I've been in the trenches. Moving around, niggas be acting, these niggas be capping easy. Probably sleeping in the gown, these niggas be really in the way. And I think it's time that they move around. You know you're not fly smooth, why would you try to be somebody? Gotta be body. My style, I've been gone for a minute. I'm still in the pen and I've been in them trenches. Moving around, these niggas be acting, these niggas be capping easy. Probably sleeping in the gown, these niggas be really in the way. And I think it's time that they move around. Right back at it like I left some. These little nigga, my stepson. Play with me if you wanna see death coming. 30 I'm shooting like you see Steph coming. Fortune teller, yeah, I can see the wealth coming. Out of line, yeah, you need some help coming. Man down here, nah, I ain't saying nothing. Left school recess, I ain't playing nothing. Only one ounce and left doesn't get money. Who me fall off, y'all too funny. Blue strip, don't trip that new money. These niggas too green, get blue money. Talk about me when they see me, they don't do nothing. I'll shake the bitch up like a suit. Take a picture with your blicky bow and shoot nothing. Y'all rapping that nigga, y'all too funny. I'll break them hips out like a suit coming. 8762, you gon' need a new stomach. So you better keep it cool, don't move money. All I really wanna do is just get money. I ain't living with these niggas, ain't shit for me. Got a peasant for the rapping cause it came to me. I got a peasant for the trapping cause I game from me. Sitting told, came told, I ain't saying nothing. Heard you rapping that nigga, ain't spraying nothing. Bitch smoke behind me like a train coming. Too fly, low line like a plane coming. If you listen, you can probably get some game from me. Big Dirt, ask me how I got my name from. But I ain't speaking on this shit because I'm shameful. Left strike like a roof on your homecoming. I ain't calling no nigga on my own. If a nigga bullets coming like beats for me. I'ma tell you right now, it's a fair warning. I'ma say it one time and I stand on it. Man, from G, I gotta put the brain on it. Like a K, like I'm coming with a clean on it. Strategize whole time, master plan on it.